Good afternoon mga ka-TikTok. So, andito na naman tayo para ipagpatuloy ang ating part 2 ng ating pagke-create ng login form in C# with SQL database. So, for our creating login form, here are the steps. So, number 1, open a new project in Visual Studio 2015. Number 2, change the file name. Number 3, click the browse to as your locations of your save as files. And then number 4 is click OK. Since hindi na rin po napakita yung pagka-appear nung step 1 to 4 natin, so pwede rin po nating sundan na lang yung steps na inilagay ko po. So now, let's proceed for step number 5 to create a login form. So number 6 is click the toolbox at the left corner. So, type label and drag your mouse to the form 1. And that label will be labeled as welcome username and password. So now, let's proceed for step number 8 and step number 9. For step number 8, just go to properties to modify each tool, like to change font, the size, the label name. And number 9 is click the toolbox and type text box for the username and password. So we're going to finish the both two text box for username, and the other one is text box for the password. We just need to finish creating the two text box before we are going to create a 3 buttons. So now, we are going to create the 3 button. So first, for number 10 steps, we're going to click the toolbox again, and then type button. Then we are going to start create a login button, the clear button, and the exit button. So just go again to the properties to modify it. So we just need to continue watch the process on how to finish in creating the three buttons. And after that, for the step 11, we need to put a code for the three buttons as their functions. So later on, I'm gonna show the correct code for all of the system that we made. So after we finish put the code, so we're going to receive our output. Just do or press Control plus S to save it. So here, as there has a problem with our codes, no, since you can see there's a laptop error, so I need to change the correct use of a code by, of course, correcting the content of our database and the login table. So that maging okay po siya. So kasi kailangan nating hanapan ng code na pwede pong mag-swap para it will run smoothly. For our last step, that is number 13, create a second form as our menu form by click the project at the upper part, then click add new form, then type file name, menu.cs, and then save. So, hindi na napaikita kung yung paano yung pagkasunod-sunod, but after that ay nag-appear na rin po yung menu form. So now, watch the video of our code. By the way, that code, I paste it in Notepad so that it can visible clearly. Thank you. So for brief explanation regarding our code, so it's very important that the information with our SQL connection con is equals to new SQL connections is the correct path of our database. So for the part 3, so please continue to watch it. Thank you and God bless. So after we put the code, so number 13 step is to create a second form as our menu form. So just to do that, just click the project at the upper part, then click add new form, then type the file name, which is a menu.cs, then click save. So now, here are the code for the whole system. So just take a look about it. So as addition to the importance of our code, so we need to be correct with the use of SQL connection code.